Hey friends, so it's new makeup day and today we're going to be trying out the 24 karat gold collagen serum, and this serum goes on between washing your face and before you put on moisturizer. So I've already washed my face and we're going to go ahead and try it out. Here's what the bottle looks like. It's gorgeous, beautiful gold. Opening it up, it has a little pump action pump. Right, maybe you can see it. It has a little gold sheen, so there's little gold flecks in there. Let's go ahead and put it on the skin. Nice cool feel. All right, so let's check out visual first impressions here. I do see a little bit of the gold sheen on my skin. It's pretty, it's subtle. The serum feels really nice. It feels really gentle. There is no scent to it, which is a good thing when it comes to skincare because scents can be irritating. And next we do our moisturizer and put on makeup, and I'll see if I like how that looks overall. So here are the product claims. It says it is a 24 karat gold complexion-enhancing plumping collagen serum, elasticity-restoring serum with collagen and skin-rejuvenating. 24 karat gold delivers firmer, plumper, and more youthful-looking skin. So that's what we're looking for here. I do think I see some kind of like plumping action, especially in some of the areas where there's some loss of firmness, like right here. Let's try a little bit more in that area. Okay, so the key ingredients are elasticity-restoring vegan collagen, complexion-enhancing 24 karat gold, moisturizing glycerin, natural protecting and lifting polymers, and brightening vitamin B3. Directions are massaged into the entire face and neck day and night. Oops, I didn't put it on my neck. Let's do some of that. I know for a fact I could use a little help in that area in terms of the visual effect, so let's try that out. Feels cooling. It's gentle on my skin, no irritating. And that is that. New product. Let's put some more makeup on and see how it looks.